You want to look older? Download the FaceApp app. But if you want to be older fast, then buy new Apple stuff. Yo, what's up guys, I am Kelsey Innocent. I do tech videos every week, so if you're into that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So the FaceApp app was developed by a small team in Russia back in 2017, and basically how it works is you take a photo of you and it uploads the pictures, and they process the picture by artificial intelligence, and more precisely it uses neural networking for the face recognition, and that's it. And when you compare it to a app like Snapchat, the edits done in the FaceApp are pretty and shockingly realistic. In Snapchat, when you do a selfie, everybody will know that you took a picture with it. You look like a dog, like some sort of animal, but with FaceApp, yeah, the results are pretty convincing. You want to know what you'll look like in 20 years? You just send it and you have a pretty convincing pictures of you in that year. Okay, right now, what is the privacy concerns to the app? So some sources claim that the app when you upload pictures of you, the app actually uploads a bunch of other pictures. And some iOS users find out that even though they haven't let the app access their pictures gallery, the app still had access to them. And to be clear, FaceApp CEO Yaroslav Gonkarov, I don't know, has emailed the following statement: "We are receiving a lot of inquiries regarding our privacy policy, and therefore would like to provide a few points that explain the basics. FaceApp performs most of the photos processing in the cloud. We only upload a photo selected by a user for editing. We never transfer any other images from the phone to the cloud. 2. We might store an uploaded photo in the cloud. The main reason for that is performance and traffic. We want to make sure that the user doesn't upload the photo repeatedly for every edit operation. Most images are deleted from our servers within 48 hours from the upload date. We accept requests from users for removing all their data from our servers. Our support team is currently overloaded, but these requests have our priority. For the fastest processing, we recommend sending the request from the FaceApp mobile app with using settings, then support, then report a bug, with the word privacy in the subject line. We are working on the better UI for that. All FaceApp features are available without logging in, and you can log in only from the settings screens. As a result, 99% of users don't log in, therefore we don't have access to any data that could identify a person. We don't sell or share any user data with any third parties. Even though the core R&D teams is located in Russia, the user data is not transferred to Russia." So that was the word of the CEO, and can you trust that? Regarding to privacy, companies, so if you want to use the app, go for it, but if you're afraid that they may be selling data of your, I don't know, just uninstall it and use Snapchat. And I've used it and I've tested it on a couple of photos of mine, and these are the results. So that was it for today's video. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next one.